Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorials how to join to image. I will create new file and we need to insert the image. You can click files, go to place embed and I will use this image as example. Next we insert again another image. I will use this image and click place. Now you can resize, then I will move into here. Click OK. Now, if you want to join these two images, we can use group tools on layer, or you can use merge. You can select out these two layer, right click, and then go to group from layer. Click OK, and it will be automatically joined. If you want to move this object, you can select this group on layer, and then you can click at this point first. Now you can move the two objects. Like that will be automatically join these two objects. If you want to move one object, you only select the layer. Like in this layer, I will move to another layer. And if you want to move, you can click again group, click on the corner in this point, and then you can move these two objects. Okay, that's it for basic Photoshop tutorials, how to join to image. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.